Hi guys, today I will explain how to change display currency on Shopify. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is head over to your store and sign in that account on which you want to change your currency. Once you do all these things, you will see the same interface like me. And this one is the homepage of my store. I didn't do anything, so that's why it's stuck in petty. But we don't have to add anything. In order to change a currency, take a look on the left side. You will see multiple options by which you can manage your store. But from this, you have to get access to your account setting by clicking on the option setting, which is on the left bottom. Once you will click on it, you will get access to your account setting where you can manage each and single thing of your account, like billing, plan, permissions, payout, checkout, each and everything. But from these options, you have to select the option General. Once you will click on the option General, here you can see the option of Store Defaults. This one is the display currency. To manage the currencies, customer see go to markets. But we want to change the store currency, so that's why click on these three dots. Here are two options: change store currency, change currency formatting. So in order to change the store currency, click on the option change store currency, and now click on this, and here select that currency which you want to set on your Shopify store and paste it.